guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, hey girl, welcome back. We are gonna go into Crumbl cookie. We're gonna get cookies. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Look, you excited? Excited. We are at Crumbl, you guys. They're having like this pink week. They're having pink week and it's like all the cookies are going to be pink, so I'm so excited about that and I want to try the cookies. We are gonna try out Crumbl cookies and I'm so excited. They have singles, box cookies. Let's see what Ellie ordered. Ooh, those look so pretty. Babe, you gonna order? So those are the cookies that they have. So we're gonna go ahead and put our order in. I think we're gonna get the the one box cookies is $13.63. So I'm really looking forward to cake batter blondie and pink velvet cake. Those sound good. Okay. Are you excited for your cookies?
No, look at donut. Cookies? Look at donut.
You want the donut? Baby. Are you excited? You want cookies? Whenever they call our names.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you. Here you go. Thank you. Have a good one. You too.
Alright guys, so we are gonna try our Crumbl cookies.
Show you guys the ones we got. Oh my god. They're flipping everywhere. Ooh, they look so good. Which one should we try first?
The sprinkle donut.
The sprinkle one? We're gonna try the blondie cake batter one. It smells really, really good. Take a little bite.
No, wait.
Okay. The pink velvet one. Okay. I'm currently editing this video and I realized I never mentioned to you guys my thoughts on the cookies. And I need to. I want to. So, first things first is my favorite cookies, the pink velvet. I feel like through Crumbl, we've all heard that they're super, super sweet and indulgent cookies. That is true. I swear with like 2 to 3 bites, you're good. You're literally good for the rest of the day. Like, you're all sugared out. And those cookies are massive. They're literally like the size of my hand. They're so big. I highly recommend you guys go try it out if you want to indulge and treat yourself. They're delicious. I really also like the cake blondie, but my favorite was the pink velvet. It was really, really good. So with Crumbl, they do new cookies every single week, but they do have some that they keep. And I think the chocolate chunk or the milk chocolate one is always available, so you can always go and try that one. Philip really liked the chocolate chip. I knew he was because he's a chocolate chip fiend. But yeah, you guys, the cookies were delicious. They were really, really cute. The aesthetics, seriously, really, really cute. But all right, you guys, so we're gonna eat something at Charlie's Philly cheesesteak, I think, because we need to run errands. We need to go to Walmart, and Walmart's right behind it. So we've never been here. Let's try it out, see what it's about.
Strawberry,
Malachi, say hi. You're gonna eat? What are you gonna eat? What are you gonna eat, Malachi?
What's that?
Ooh, shakes. This one tastes like watermelon. So I got a strawberry lemonade, and Malachi got a lemonade. Right, baby? Nice, sticky food.
It's mine. It's mine.
I think we're just waiting for Kai's little nuggets, right? Oh no, you got them.
Is it here?
Aren't they right here?
Oh, yeah.
This is yours. Can you have? Big boy.
Okay.
Let me see your other hand.
Mom, look at toe. Mom, look at toe, huh? Look at toe, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh.
That's good.
It's hot, Mom?
It's spicy, but it's good. I good.
Mom, you did it, Mom.
That's really good. I like that. All right, let's try these wings. I got mango habanero. Ooh, these are good. We're gonna get a car wash. Yeah.
Mom, they're walking.
We're getting the car wash.
It's all dirty, Mom.
What's dirty?
You're all dirty.
The truck's all dirty.
And clean hands.
Oh, we need to clean our hands. Washed, you guys. Philip wanted to wash his truck, so we pulled up to this like truck wash place. Ooh, you like it?
Bubbles. Look, bubbles.
Bubble.
So I am ready. I just put on like a cute little black crop top and some dressy pants. I'll show you guys my outfit in a little bit, but we are getting ready to go to my friend Veronica's house, having a little gathering at her house, so we wanted to go over and say hi. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. This is like my makeup. I just did like a super soft glam with a little bit of sparkle, you know, to just liven it up. And Malachi's back there. Say hi. Yeah, we're going to my friend's house. Yeah, once we get to our friend's house, we're gonna get out. Some stuff off at my in-laws real quick, and then we're gonna go to my friend's. So you guys, today is hump day. Happy hump day. Woo! And we are officially in fall season, you guys. And what does that mean? Obviously, we're decorating our home for fall, which if you haven't seen that in one of my vlogs, I shared with you guys like the little things I like to decorate. I decorated this window and like my little pumpkins, and I shared with you guys everything I got. I'll link that video somewhere right here. But in this fall video, I'm going to be making pot roast with you guys. I've never made pot roast ever before, and I saw it the other day and the recipe looked so good with mashed potatoes, and it's a crock pot meal. Check on it right now. The house is already smelling so good, and we're gonna make mashed potatoes to go along with it. I literally cleaned the whole house, girl. I just finished mopping. One of my girlfriends is coming over that I haven't seen in a minute, so she's gonna come chill with me, have lunch, and I'm like spraying the whole house down with my Suavitel mixture. This, guys, I put Suavitel, which is fabric softener, with warm water in a spray bottle, and girl, it'll have your whole house smelling like fresh and clean. Like seriously, it's my go-to thing to do, especially spraying it in the living room, on the couch pillows, on the throw blanket, and then also in my bedroom. Like, we're just gonna chill, hang out, order lunch. I've been craving Wingstop, so I was thinking about messaging her, asking her if she wanted Wingstop, or like we can have another thing that I'd be down to have is like pho. So yes, girl, I'm like, we can have pho or we can have Wingstop. Like, what you want, girl? So I'm excited for my friend to come over, but I wanted to have the house nice and clean before she came over, and I also wanted to have dinner under wraps. That way I'm not like worried about like cooking for my man whenever he comes home. It's clean, cook dinner and all that. Like, I did it all before she even comes over. And then the crock pot, that's why the crock pot's your best friend, girl. Like, you cook it, you leave it alone, you throw it in there, and you're gonna have dinner done in a little while. So oh, I think that's my friend. Yep, she just said she's on her way. Yay! And chit chat with you guys and show you guys the meal that I have planned for us today, which is the pot roast meal. That's a meal that Philip's mom makes a lot and that he really enjoys, which is another reason why I really wanted to try making this recipe, because like, I didn't grow up eating pot roast. Like, my mom never made pot roast. Like, she obviously would make carne deshebrada, but she would make like tacos de carne deshebrada, like stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? Not actual like pot roast with mashed potatoes. Like, I feel like that's more of like an American meal, so I'm excited to be making that for my man. And for Kai, hopefully he likes it. Hopefully we all like it. It's also good to like try different things. So I just wanted to check in and say hi and start this video because I filmed it in the morning, like me cooking and chopping everything up, but I didn't like step in and say hi, girl, because the way I was looking. This is just going to be a fall lovers video, okay? We love fall here. I love fall, you guys. It's my favorite time of year. So I'm a fall baby. I love pumpkins, like, girl. It's currently 4:24. The crock pot has been cooking for hours and my friend just left. We had Wingstop, we had girl talk. It was really nice. So I am about to start cleaning up and getting everything ready for when Philip gets home. So I'm gonna work on the mashed potatoes because that's the next part of the dinner that I want to have. Oh, and I got a big huge ranch. Like, I love ranch, so I got me a big fat ranch because we can't go wrong with that. I hooked it up again to cook for like another 2 hours. Let's get started on the mashed potatoes real quick. I'm not a good baker, guys, but I really want to try baking these pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies that a friend of mine shared on social media, and she shared the link, so I followed it and like I got everything for the recipe. It looks really easy and simple, but then again, I'm not a good baker, so that might be a problem, girl. But I'm gonna still try with you because remember we tried baking those cookies last time and that they actually came out pretty good. So I want to make pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies with you guys. Asking for half a cup of sugar. So half a cup of sugar. Add that in. 1, 2. That's about 4.
Mixture nicely combined. You can set this aside and leave a separate